Most people think to work in finance, you need a degree in economics, years of experience, or connections on Wall Street. That's actually not true. There are thousands of people right now building careers from home in the financial services, helping families, and most of them have zero experience in the industry. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can start a financial services career from home, even if you've never worked in the industry before. One of the biggest problems right now is that most families don't have access to financial education. People are struggling with things like debt, retirement planning, life insurance, and investing. There aren't enough financial professionals to help everyone. In fact, a lot of advisors are retiring right now, and the industry actually needs newly licensed professionals. That's why this opportunity exists for people who have no experience to get licensed in the financial industry. We need more people who genuinely want to help families. A lot of people hear financial services and they automatically think stock traders or bankers, but that's not what most financial professionals actually do. What we really do is help families build a financial game plan. This could include things like protecting their income with insurance, helping them plan for retirement, showing them ways to build savings, and helping them understand their financial options. At the end of the day, it's really about financial education and guidance. The good news is you don't need experience to get started in this field. What you do need is a license. You could potentially be moving millions of dollars, so of course you need a license for that. So most people start by first joining a brokerage, second, going through the training, third, studying for their financial license, and lastly, learning how to help families with financial solutions. It does involve studying for an exam because you need to have your license, but the good thing is recently they updated the guidelines where you can do everything from home. You can even write your provincial exams all from home. The great thing is that many people study while working their current job, and they can get licensed as fast or as slow as they want to. One of the biggest advantages in this career is the flexibility. A lot of people on my team get started part-time, evenings and weekends, and they still work their full-time job. Everything can be done from home, so that's how they're able to keep their main job while starting in this industry. Once you get licensed and build experience, then you can transition to full-time. This type of career is great for people who want more flexibility, they're interested in finance, they want a second stream of income, they enjoy helping people, and they want to build their own business one day. The really cool thing about the financial industry is you can do work today and still get paid on that every month. So eventually you can get residual income and you can build a book of business and you won't even need to work and still get paid every month. This is why it's so important to have that long-term mindset. You don't have to be a financial expert when you start, but you need to be coachable. One of the reasons I got started in this industry is because it pairs really well with real estate. I help people with large financial transactions, and now I'm able to help people from the very start, whether it's getting them out of debt or setting up a first home savings account. I can also help educate people on the difference between mortgage insurance and personal insurance, and my mindset was, why don't I just get the license, use it to help myself, and worst case, I know more about the financial industry. But it turns out I really like what we do. I'm building my brokerage and I really like helping families. So that's why I'm still here. Right now, I'm actually looking for 3 people who are interested in getting licensed in the financial industry. If you're curious how it works or you have any other questions, I'll leave the link to my calendar in the description below. Feel free to book a call anytime. And yeah, we can set something up. And feel free to DM me on Instagram anytime. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. So yeah, I'm just really excited for the future. I think this is such a great flexible work from home part-time opportunity, and I really don't see a downside. You help one family. On average, we get paid $1,000 per family. So you help one family and you already make the licensing fee back. So our license costs $170 every 2 years. So I really just don't see a downside. Yeah, anyway, I hope this video was informative and I'll see you in the next one.